Namaste. Today we will discuss the significance of history. A historical fact is a fact about the past. It answers the very basic question what happened, yet, beyond merely listing the events in chronological order, historians try to discover why events happened, what circumstances contributed to their cause, what subsequent effects they had, and how they were interpreted. In an effort to get at what really happened, historians compare stories from a wide variety of sources, searching for common elements that corroborate a plausible account. Accounts are compared with archaeological findings. Neither history nor archaeology is an exact science, but technique and technology improvements over the years have enabled them both to make stronger and stronger cases for their accounts of the past. Yet, historical accounts are subject to frequent disagreement. Much disagreement is due to the fact that accurate history is difficult to obtain for a variety of reasons. Much information regarding the past has been lost. Many cultures have a rich oral history but lack written documents. Oral accounts or storytelling suffer from an inherent loss of information. Each person in the chain will tend to interpret the story, presenting the opportunity to accidentally alter it, or worse, to slant the story to one's own tastes before passing it on. Written history before the age of copiers and computers had to be hand copied, providing similarly easy opportunities for errors or exaggeration. Some material is simply propaganda, intentionally containing little or no truth. Even if authentic, the meaning of documents regarding the past can be highly unclear to any modern investigator or can conflict with other sources. These factors and others result in quite a bit of uncertainty about historical accounts. This leaves room for parties to interpret history in ways that favor them, resulting in strong resistance from those on opposing sides. Any conflict that goes on for a long time, as intractable conflicts do, will involve historical facts. Historical facts do play a central role in other kinds of conflicts, for example, long running international conflicts over territory. A clear example of this is the Palestinian Israel conflict. Each side holds its own version of the region's history, and the respective versions are reflected in each side's rhetoric. The historical rhetoric becomes a cyclical part of the escalating conflict. Each side holds its own biases. Those biases affect the way each side interprets the past. These biased interpretations are repeated and circulated as if they were a fact, thus further feeding and strengthening one-sided bias on both sides. In such a conflict, it becomes increasingly difficult to uncover the authentic history due to the continual cycle of interpretation and propaganda. In this way, historical facts can add significantly to a conflict's traceability. When a conflict involves a debate over a historical fact, whether the debate be over an actual event or an interpretation of the event, it may be important to decide whether the debate is resolvable and whether resolving it will improve the situation. A fact finding endeavor may indeed uncover important historical information, and that information may play a role in building consensus. On the other hand, the information may not have any real effect either because those facts are rejected or because someone shifts tactics to avoid utilizing those facts. Even worse, fresh information may inflame the conflict even more. Since historical research is not an exact science, historical fact finding suffers from the problem of uncertain information. It may not be possible to uncover what actually happened. Historical significance is the process used to evaluate what was significant about selected events, people, and developments in the past. Historians use different sets of criteria to help them make judgments about significance. Significance has been called the forgotten concept in history, no doubt because it can be challenging for all parties concerned. If you want to know more on any of the related topics, please leave your topic in the comment box and I will come back with a video on it. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can get all the videos. Thank you.